How much are we talking about?
125 billion.
So hey guys, how are you? So my people, I'm here again. So as I said earlier, I'm a finance analyst and a stock market genius in some way. So my question is, I pose my question to the forex traders. So it's a compliment to you forex traders because you people might be geniuses. You are geniuses as you always call yourself. So so my question was, who among you, the forex traders and the stock markets geniuses, maybe I can call them so, who among you are smarter than the other? Because let me give you my views. My view is that the forex traders are smarter than the stock market geniuses, but the stock market geniuses are wiser than the forex traders, because I've come to realize that it's much more difficult to swing along the market, to swing maybe more profitable along the market in the long run and make more money, because I do consider it's more difficult, or it requires a smarter brain, unlike a stock market analyst, because I do consider the stock market analyst as wiser but less smarter than the forex market, because the stock market is simple. Their prices are simple to quantify. You buy at cheaper price, then you're gonna sell it at a higher price. So maybe the genius part, or the smarter or the more complicated part, is only that you have to look, or you have to analyze which company or which stock has a huge upside potential so that you buy, and maybe expect more profits at maybe a shorter period. But even expecting profit at a lesser time is more difficult, because it's less predictable unless maybe you focus more on fundamentals. But maybe you can compare the fundamental, the technical, though it's a little bit more complicated. So you forex traders, I do find you more geniuses, but less wiser than the stock market analysts. So maybe I can give this analogy. For example, you remember when we were in high school, that's a genius nigga where we have more simpler choices, then you choose a more complicated choices just because you're smarter. Because I do find that stock trading or stock investment is more cheaper and more easier to understand than forex industry, because the prices of the currency pairs I cannot quantify, because just a comparison between the other, which one is more stronger today, which one is gonna be more stronger tomorrow, and that's more complicated and more difficult to analyze the long run. So big up to the forex traders. You must be smarter, you must be geniuses. Congratulations to you, but remember you are less wiser, because why choose a complicated stuff when there's a simpler one?
Yeah.
Money never sleeps, pal. Just made 800,000 Hong Kong gold. It's been wired to you.